Psychological Wallet. Hello everyone, Roanne Celis here of 1 Million Club. In this video, let me share with you a very important topic that I have learned from Brother Bo Sanchez. Psychological Wallet. This video is more on mindset. First is your money belief. Let me ask you, what is your definition of money? Do you believe that money is bad? Or do you believe that money is freedom? Another question, how do you describe rich people? Do you believe that rich people are evil? Or do you believe that rich people are generous? Your money belief is very important. If you believe that money is bad, rich people are evil, rich people are not happy, you will avoid wealth. Second, your psychological wallet is highly affected by your environment. Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, you are the average of the 5 people you spend most of your time with. Kung ang income ng mga kaibigan mo ay 15,000 a month, iisipin mo na normal lang din na 15,000 a month ang income mo. Ang psychological wallet mo is 15,000 lang per month in terms of salary. Mababalitaan mo yung kabatchmate mo kumikita ng 40,000 a month. Same age kayo pero in terms of psychological wallet, iba. Sa batchmate mo, para sa kanya, maliit ang 15,000 a month na salary. Kasi sa environment nila, ang kasama niya, kumikita ng 50,000, 70,000, 100,000. So, mataas ang psychological wallet niya. Kaya pag may opportunity for promotion, excited siya. Pero ikaw, pwedeng kung i-promote ka at offeran ka ng mas malaking sweldo, pwedeng di mo tanggapin. Kasi ang psychological wallet mo is 15,000 a month lang. At baka isipin ng mga kaibigan mo, ibang level ka na. Kaya kung pipili ka ng kasama mo, make sure they will help you grow. Dahil it will affect your mindset, habit, and income. Make sure you avoid friends who are spender and negative. Third, feel it. To increase your psychological wallet, kailangan ma-experience mo yung more than average na life. For example, kung magta-travel ka, instead na mag-book ka ng economy class, why not try business class? Para ma-experience mo na ganito pala sa business class, mas maganda upuan, mas komportable. The purpose of doing this is di para mag-feeling mayaman ka, kundi para ma-inspire ka na mas magpursige sa buhay. Pwede ka din mag-try ng buffet sa 5-star hotel kaysa laging sa karinderya ka kumakain. Again, gagawin mo to di para magpanggap na sosyal, kundi para malaman mo na there's life more than being average. Fourth, enlarge your skills. Madalas mahilig tayo sa libre. Libreng food, libreng sakay, libreng gamit. Kapag mahilig ka sa libre, maliit ang psychological wallet mo. Kasi umaasa ka lang sa kung ano ang ibigay sa'yo. Sabi nga na nakararami, the best things in life are free. For me, that's scarcity mindset. And for me, the best thing in life is to afford things you want. That's abundance mindset. How can you afford the thing you want? You have to enlarge your skills. To achieve financial success, di enough na may right mindset ka lang. You have to execute. To achieve your financial goal, you have to take actions. If you want to double your income per month, you have to enlarge your skills. You have to double your skills to double your output. To summarize what we have discussed in this video, you have to first, be clear with your money belief. Second, be with the right environment. Third, you have to feel or experience the more than average life. And last, and most important, you have to enlarge your skills. You have to take actions. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.